Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to punch out the right size SIM card out of your activation kit and how to insert that into your Jethro phone. So here is the SIM card that we have punched out from the activation kit. Looks just like this, and it is the mini size that we'll be using to insert into our Jethro SC490 4G phone. So to insert the SIM card, you will flip your phone over onto the back and see that there is a little gap that will help you take off the back cover of the phone. So just gently lift up under this gap, remove the back cover, and you'll see that there is a diagram to help you insert the SIM card easily. So we will take our SIM card, gently insert it in. After that, we'll insert the battery on top, put the back cover back on, flip the phone over, and press and hold on the red button until the phone turns on. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.